Are you an ambitious person with tons of ideas, but don't have the team or experience to run a business? In this video, we'll show you the right AI tools to use for each step of your business. From research and branding to marketing and SEO, these AI tools do it the best. Before you jump into any business, it's important to understand the market and audience. You will need to validate your idea, position your product or service properly, and analyze your competitors. Frederick AI will be your business consultant to ensure you have a great start for your business. Frederick AI can perform competitor analysis, devise a business strategy, and help you evaluate your business. Frederick AI will help you establish the vision and mission of your company. It provides insights on how to evaluate your performance and review your growth. Whether you want to simply study business or grow your own company, Frederick AI is the right tool to choose. Only good branding can make a company look great. With LogoBean, you can generate professional, eye-catching logos that perfectly represents your business. No need for expensive designers. With just the business name and slogan, this AI generates the perfect logo that matches your brand's work and vision. See a full preview of how it looks on different things, like your business card, product packaging, posters, etc. If you want your brand mark to be outstanding and memorable, LogoBean is the solution. A good brand should have a good website for online visibility, easy payments, and offering better experience to customers. With RenderForest AI, building a stunning website with advanced features in Minute is just too easy. All you need is the business name and a short description of what you do. With zero coding knowledge, anyone can craft fully functional websites and business landing pages that are customizable. Publishing the website is just a single-click job. Whether you're a freelancer who wants to build better websites faster, or a business building their own website, RenderForest will do the magic. But what's a business without customers? You'll have to do something to make sure people find your business. Letting the right people know about what you offer is going to be essential. That's where AI-powered marketing steps in. Jogg AI lets you create high-quality ad videos effortlessly. Use Jogg AI to create engaging and informative videos with your own avatar. Or if you don't want to show your face, you can use available avatars for your videos. Explaining your products or services in UGC-style videos has never been easier. Just upload your product URL from Amazon or Shopify, and within minutes, you have an engaging ad ready to go.
लूनर डिस्कवरी आपका नया डिजिटल दोस्त इंडिया के साथ टर्न बाय टर्न नेविगेशन अब रास्ता भूलना मुश्किल 0.39 HD डिस्प्ले इतना क्लियर कि आंखें भी कहे वाह DIY वॉच फेस स्टूडियो अपने स्टाइल को दिखाएं अपने हाथों से.
Whether you want to create informative videos with your avatar or ads for Instagram and Pinterest, Jogg AI will create detailed and engaging videos for you with so much ease, saving you tons of time and effort. And if you are looking for long-term growth and a solid brand image, you need organic reach. You already have a website and a good customer base thanks to your marketing efforts. It's time to start a blog so that you can aim for building a larger and organic clientele. That's where WriteSonic comes in. It creates SEO-optimized blogs and content to help your website rank and attract potential customers over time. From keyword research to content strategies, this tool does it all for you. Describe your business and goals in detail, and WriteSonic provides a content strategy that will rank you on the top. It has Ahrefs integrated, a popular SEO tool used to perform keyword research related to your business. It tells us what is the monthly search volume for queries that audience will use to reach you and how difficult it would be to rank for this keyword. It also shows the cost per click, which is the cost of advertising ourselves for that keyword, and shows our organic traffic potential too. WriteSonic also provides insights on user discussions and trending topics on Reddit. This AI tool is equivalent of having a digital marketing expert. So whether you're a beginner with just an idea or an entrepreneur looking to scale fast, these AI tools can help you launch, market, and grow your business effortlessly. The future of business is AI-powered. Let us know which tool you like the most. And remember, AI can only help you in your business. It cannot do business for you. How you use these tools and whether you can fully utilize their potential is up to your creativity and skills. These 5 AI tools can take you from just an idea to a fully functional business, without hiring a team or spending months figuring things out, but only if you put them to good use. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.